good, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be adding an LED light strip to the back of the Civic to where it allows me to have a running light, a reverse light, braking lights, and sequential turns. It's so hard to say. The front of the Civic, because it has retrofitted headlights, has sequential turns, and I'm like, you know, I need to do something in the back. So I got online, started looking around, and here we have basically like a tailgate like trailer thing for trucks, but I'm gonna actually splice this and tap into my brake lights, running lights, the whole shebang, to where this lights up with activation of my brake lights, running light, you know, etc. I'm just testing right now. Brake, turn brake. Okay, brake. Start setting her up. Guys, make sure when you're doing this, you at least have some knowledge of wiring at hand, because this is like, if you decide to do this, this is pretty complex because you're actually chopping into the main wiring harness, which is a big deal for people that care. I don't give a fuck. If you guys didn't know, I got a vanity plate a couple months ago for my birthday. It says drop him. It's an inside joke, but if you know, you know. Everything's installed, and I will show you guys what it looks like. We'll start with the hazards. Go to the reverse. Left turn. It goes pretty fast. I need some resistors, but honestly, I'm not too worried about it. Still looks sweet, so. And we will do right turn. Same thing. Reverse. I mean brakes. So yeah, guys, it's pretty sick. Overall, I'm happy. Like I said, this was like 20 bucks on eBay, so it's definitely worth it. Just be careful splicing into your taillights if you want to try this. This is just for educational purposes. I did not tell you guys to do this and just splice everything on your mom's car and then get in trouble. Now, Callie, the Civic has fully sequential headlights and tails. Yo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I sound like one of those cool YouTubers, yeah? Yeah, and expect the video out next week. Peace.